In today's video we take a closer look at the Ruike LD43 multi-tool or rescue knife. That's knife collector here. Thanks for tuning in, my name is Henk. In this video we take a closer look at this knife, a multi-tool or rescue knife. This is another option of Ruike, which hit the market with several models this year. Ruike is a subsidiary of Phoenix. Phoenix is well known from the flashlights, torches, very reputable company, and they decided to bring knives to the market as well. A lot of functions on this knife. First of all, we have a Phillips screwdriver, as you can see, a big Phillips screwdriver, closes with a nice snap. Walk and talk of all the tools is excellent, I tell you in advantage. Then there is this awl, and it's several functions in one tool, as you can see. Reamer, facer, drill, sewing eye, so a lot of functions in one tool, and it's very sharp. Tools are made of 12C 27 sandvik steel, so it's very good steel. Here you can see the details of this tool. Nice walk and talk. Then there is a buckle, so you can attach it to your belt or backpack, whatever. Then there is a flathead screwdriver and also wire stripper, wire bender, bottle opener, so also several functions in this tool. Then there is a saw, very sharp saw. I didn't try this, but maybe I get some time and attach some footage at the end of the video of using the saw. Then there is the belt cutter, with safely round off tip, so you cannot hurt the person you are rescuing. And then there is the blade. And this was the feature that surprised me the most, because it is a slip joint, one hand opening slip joint, and with a half stop, but then it also has an additional security, a liner lock. Blade is made of 12C 27 sandvik steel. It's a very good steel. The blade is a full flat grind, very nice high polish. Here you can see the brand name, the thumb stud, and then on the other side you can see the model number and the steel. All knives and tools are serialized, and here you can find the serial number. With this serial number you can register the knife at the Ruike website or with the warranty card provided. Length of the blade is 8.5 centimeter or 3.35 inch, so really a full-sized blade. The overall length of this tool is 19.9 centimeter or 7.83 inch. It weighs 205 gram or 7.23 ounce, and the scales are made of G10. I'm very surprised by the quality of this multi-tool. Oh, by the way, it also has a tungsten glass breaker. I was very surprised by the quality of this tool. This knife will cost you around 63 euro. I will provide a link to the seller I found on internet for Europe. I didn't find any other retailers who have this already for sale. Maybe Knives and Tools will get it in their offerings because they have other models of Ruike. But very surprised about the walk and talk of the tools. Very good back springs they use. Surprised by the fit and finish. It's excellent. Goods G10. Oh, by the way, it also has a tweezer. As you can see. Now get it back in front of the camera. So a lot of functionality in this tool, and you have to decide for yourself if this kind of tool is the multi-tool for you, or you prefer Leatherman styled multi-tools or Victorinox. But I think this is a great competitor of Victorinox and Leatherman because of the quality. Ergos are very good, by the way. Really very good. It fits good in my hand because it's a full-sized length. Very secure lock-up from the blade. So I like the way Ruike did this multi-tool. Very nice walk and talk of all tools. So this one was provided by Ruike itself. They sent it to me, and I really am very surprised by the quality and the fit and finish. So what's remaining is some pictures on the knife. That's it for now. Bye bye.